So we come to pick up Krishna today. Rather, he picks me up always, right? So here today, for the first time, we are picking Krishna up, and he's taking time. He's still waiting. I don't know how long it's going to take. Yeah, it's been a while now, but yeah, still not come.
2,000 years later.
Hi Krishi.
What's
up?
I was supposed to take yours.
Yeah.
और एक देना कुत्ते। एक ही में क्या होगा उनका?
What's up guys? कैसे हो? Well on. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. Today we are going to Rivanna Caves along with.
Oh, hi. I look nice today.
Yeah. So she thinks she looks nice today. Let's see.
Dude, I look nice today.
यार ये भंगार की शक्ल के है? तेरे बाप को भूल गया क्या?
Don't I?
What is wrong with your hair? Everything is there on it.
Everything is normal. हमने ऐसे गाड़ी खोल के रखी है ना.
तो चलना.
Wait, no, Krishi, I'm allowing this fellow to. Look at this mother now.
So guys, we are about to reach the Rivanna Caves. I didn't include the travel thing.
4 kilometers away.
Yeah, it's just 4 kilometers away. So stay
We
tuned.
need a shot. Oh.
So we are just clicking some pictures. I mean, this place is really good. Have a look. हर जगह रहता है इनका। अरे कौन डालता है यार ये? So guys, that was the place we stopped, taking some pictures,
Yeah.
and we already look somewhat tired.
Yeah, we're like,
It's warm and sunny in Goa right now, and it feels better. Like we had rains like for what? How many months?
I don't know.
Like terrible
Long
months, like
time.
long time. So thank God rains are gone for some time right now.
Yep.
So catch you guys in Rivanna in
We're already in
some time.
Rivanna.
Yeah, we are in Rivanna. So in the caves, we'll catch you guys in some time. Peace.
Peace. वो है इधर.
You sure these are the caves?
No, we have to go down now. This is one part. I'd seen a picture of it.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, this I saw the tare. Oh shit, I wish I could go.
Oh, Krishna. Wait. We have to take our shoes off or something. Yeah, I did.
So I'll talk. You want to talk about Rivanna Caves?
So these are like idols. I guess that is it Hanumanji? Or
Which one?
that idol? Oh, it's something else.
That is Hanuman. That is Hanuman. That is Nag.
Guys, just look at this.
So the Rivanna Caves, I had heard Krishna, the Pandava Caves.
These are the Pandava caves.
Yeah.
You sure, or they're in Haraolim?
I don't know. This is also said to be
Pandava's caves?
part of.
Oh wow.
Oh, so you have to, that thing is connected down.
Yeah, that was locked from on top. It opens from here. See? There's a gate.
And they are said to be also influenced by the monks, Buddhists.
Okay.
So that's another. Yeah.
How old is caves, sir?
Almost 6th and 7th century.
6th and 7th century caves. Wow.
Super, Krishna.
The Hanuman which you guys see over here, it's from 16th century and the cave is from the 6th century, right?
Yeah.
Wow.
And the cave is also said that it's carved by laterite rock,
Okay.
and it was used for the monks to meditate. Yeah.
Wow. And this seems very interesting, no Krishna?
Yeah, that's also a tank they say.
I'll try to get some shots of the fishes. Hope you guys enjoy it. So guys, we are leaving to this lake called
It's also known as the bubbling lake or the Budbude Tare.
Budbude Tale. Like about this lake, it's quite special. Like you just clap and bubbles come out of the water. I
Yeah,
don't know
so
what.
another type of vibration, so response to a vibration.
Yeah, it responds to vibration. It usually closes soon, so
By
I hope
6.
it's open and then it will be fun to watch. I'll be taking a good shot of it, most probably.
Peace. And there's Krishna's friends on the way.
Isn't that your?
No, that's nobody of mine, Krishna.
So guys, we are at a place called Rock Carvings. You can pause and you can read it over here. And these are the number of protected monuments as per of Ancient Monuments Architecture Sites Remains Act 1978 and Rules 1980. So these things we'll be seeing over there. As Krishna is already over there, trying to figure out what is what. So you see, these are all the rock rocks are carved everywhere. If this was an aerial view, we would be like very clear about what is what. But then we have just a little bit of everything over here remaining. A pool sort of thingy, I guess. I don't know why it looks like a giant's footprint.
Huh?
It looks like a footprint of a person. See? Just see, it looks exactly like a footprint of a person.
Asad, you never know. It's like small.
Yeah, these are like baby steps. This must be pretty old. Like, I don't know, thousands of years old. I wouldn't like to walk over them, so I'm just walking how much of area, just not having this scriptures. It is absolutely stunning. See this? It looks like a, I don't know. You guys comment down and let me know what it is, and I would like to tag this to Praveen Mohan. Oh, that looks somewhat like an animal figure. This looks like a bullock. I mean, see the hump? There is something written on it. Krishna, how did you like the place?
It's awesome.
Right?
It's super awesome, Krishna.
So guys, we are mistaken. There is Pandava's caves somewhere close by. They are also known as Ravana's caves.
So that one was the monk, Buddhist.
Yeah, that was the Buddhist monks thing. And these are the caves. We are yet about to reach to the caves. We're not reached. I guess you need to walk. Ask the locals around, because locals are the best guides of these villages. The same thing we do every time, but then we'll be recording from now. Whenever we find a local and we talk to the local about it. Oh, langurs will come. Don't do that. Saule. Oh wow. Wow. Like, oh my god! Don't even know there is another way over here. Please don't go this side. This is the way you need to come on top. These sides need to be like super protected. And like guys, please do read it.
Holy moly! Oh yeah, so that was the place where the monk would sit.
Yeah. Just turn on your flash. This caves. See something shining over there? Like it's a reflectors kind of thingy.
So this was the place. This was like a, you know?
The monk used to sit and meditate.
Yeah. Wow.
Wow. Krishna, we would have missed it totally.
I know, right?
There's more on top, if I'm not wrong. There are stairs.
Wow.
Guys, this cage is quite big. I mean, it's not huge, but it's big. So we'll go on top now. Krishna, you're coming? Wow, man, this looks so beautiful. Rivona's cave. This is a natural cave improvised by humans in Goa early medieval period. It is stepped laterite. I mean, where is that rock which was found? Is it taken into the museum or something?
Yeah.
There might be something, Krishna, because see, there's a path.
Houses are there, Krishna?
So I'm standing literally on a cave right now. Krishna, come.
What the?
Careful.
What the?
Okay, calm down.
Dude, these people are lucky.
I swear. This place is amazing. So guys, we are done for today. We explored Rivona caves and rock carvings. I guess the rock carvings are like thousands of years old.
So guys, see you in the next vlog. Let's see what we have in store. Peace. So guys, I hope you enjoyed our video. And let's see what we have next.
London